I have made a sample form where people who joined my WhatsApp group giving me information. We will copy the link of Google Sheet and then click on Get Data. Search for Google Sheets. And paste the link. Sign in to our Google account to give access to Power BI. After loading data, click on Transform Data. Click on Use First Row as headers to assign the name of columns. I will first click on Card Visual and drag name to it and then change it to Count. And then rename it to Number of Responses. Now I will add pie chart. I will drag from where you came to know about the WhatsApp group column. And drag name to values so that it gives me percentage of each social media website. Now I will click ArcGIS Map for Power BI. Change the category of my country column to country from uncategorized. Drag the country column to location. Drag the name to column to have a unique color for each name. Now I will create a slicer and drag timestamp column to field. I will go to slicer settings and change from between to drop down. I will add 2 more cards showing separately response from female and male. As I have one gender column showing both male and female, so I will create a measure. A total count measure with calculate rows and then name of table. Another measure for counting number of females. Counts rows then table name then column name and equal to female. Similarly, create measure for number of responses from male. Our dashboard is ready and can show us responses from different locations, and whenever we click refresh it will automatically update data from Google Sheet.